Lose belly fat. Relieve back pain. Lose belly fat. Boost kidney energy. Lose weight. Strengthen your back and prevent lower back pain. 9 to 12 times each side one set, 3 to 4 sets a day. Rub belt vessel 24 times one set, 4 to 6 sets a day. Relieve lower back pain. Relieve numbness and pain in the hips and legs. 20 times each side one set, 2 to 3 sets a day. Practice after meals to aid digestion and avoid fat growth. Practice 30 minutes after eating 36 times each side. To 5 minutes each side. Reduce high blood sugar. Pound your fist against your palm 100 times each side. Reduce high blood sugar. Improve spinal health, alleviate scoliosis and pain. Clear the blood vessels and meridians throughout the body and lose weight. 36 times each side. Open your groin. Improving reproductive health. Improve scoliosis. Liver maintenance. Open the liver meridians, improve blood circulation in the liver. 3 to 5 minutes every morning. Horse stance and double punch. Low energy, depressed mood. Strengthen your legs and burn fat. Bloating, acid reflux, vomiting. 3 minutes each side. Crane spreads its wings and flies. Cannot sleep well. Strength starts from the feet and runs through every joint. Old people do not sleep well. 100 to 150 times. Rhinitis, stuffy nose, itchy nose. (24 to 36 times a day). 2 to 3 minutes one time. Relief nose bleeds. Relief tonsillitis. Relief cough. Soothe a sore throat. It can help the heart recover if it gets scared or irritated. If you feel a little sore, be sore. This is a practice used by Chinese Taoist practitioners to prevent strokes and hemiplegia. Thirty-six times each side. Frequent urination, urgent urination, painful urination, leaking urine. Rub both sides of the heel. 100 to 150 times each side. There is a 103-year-old grandmother practice every day so far, very healthy. Balance kidney water energy and heart fire energy. Improves spleen function and reduces heart stress. Boost kidney energy. There is a 103-year-old grandmother practice every day so far, very healthy. Improves circulation throughout the body, especially to the kidney. Clean up heart and lung waste. Improves kidney energy and reduces lower back pain. This is 1,000-year-old Chinese Qigong used to repair internal organs damaged by overwork and bad mood. It is good for liver, heart, spleen, lung and kidney. 12 times each side.